Hey guys, it's me again, and you're watching my design channel. And in this episode, I'm gonna talk about something that's really, I don't know. It's a love-hate relationship I have with the lazy boy. I don't know whether I love it or I hate it. Honestly, it's driving me nuts. I get a lot of women clients that tell me, Heba, please do something to get rid of that chair. And the husband's like, oh yeah, definitely have to have a lazy boy. So I don't know if it's a woman and a man thing. I am gonna get this, I know, because I have not yet come across a man that hates lazy boy, but I have come across a lot of women that just like the lazy boy. So my personal opinion about the lazy boy is that I hate it. So I kinda don't like the way it looks a lot. That's so mean, but I love the comfort. So instead of trying to get rid of it, I am going to give you guys a few tips on how you can design around the lazy boy. So my husband's got his lazy boy, he's got his remote control, he's got his snacks, and he's got the TV on full blast. Just hear it in the background. So this is my connection of what a lazy boy is. And I'm sure a lot of women can understand and then can relate. So the first tip is, first of all, you have to know whether a lazy boy is gonna be in the design or not. My favorite design around the lazy boy is the rustic country kind of feel where there's cladding, wood cladding on the walls, and the lazy boy's in like a dark brown leather. That, it blends in with the style so well. But you don't necessarily want that style. What if you want a very sleek contemporary look? Well, find a very sleek contemporary lazy boy. But trust me, the guys are not gonna like it. They like the classic lazy boy. The big chubby one, that's the one they like. So what do you do when you've decided that's the lazy boy you're gonna get? What you do is you can always put a very nice slip cover on it and make it look a bit less frumpy. They sell them on Amazon. I haven't used them personally myself, but they do look good. Or I would suggest putting a throw and cushions on them, but he's just gonna chuck it on the floor. So we have to forget that option. Then there's the option that you can camouflage it. Camouflage the lazy boy. So if you have a black lazy boy and you paint the wall behind it black, it's gonna disappear. Another tip is that you can put like a really pretty table with a lamp and flowers and, you know, really pretty things beside it. So instead of focusing on the lazy boy, you're gonna focus on all that beautiful stuff beside it. Another tip is don't put the lazy boy in the middle of the room. Just shove it in a corner and then it won't stand out so much. Also, if you're shopping for furniture to go along with the lazy boy, make sure it's the same scale because you don't want to get small, sleek furniture and then you have this big, bulky piece of furniture on the side. They have to go, the scale of the furniture has to go together. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and if you have any tips that I've forgotten, I tried to remember most of them, but if I've forgotten anything, please let me know. Let me know if you love, hate, or you have a love-hate relationship with the lazy boy like I do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram and anywhere I am. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.